So my name is Diana.
My name is Antonia.
My name is Brielle George.
My name is Renee.
Samantha.
My name is 𝗃𝗀🐄.
Yeah, I love the flexibility of the hybrid program. I also find that it fits better with my style of learning. So for example, having one day where I can really just dedicate it to our book work and studying more of like the methodology, some of the more like textbook kind of subjects that we're doing in class, and then dedicating an entire day when I'm in school to have just hands-on learning. I think that actually allows me to focus a little bit more on the work that I'm doing and absorb the material better.
It's been great. Honestly, we do the theory online, which is great because I feel like it's better for me to like sit in my home and I feel like it's better for me to sit in my home and get that information versus me having to come to school and get like all those lectures and stuff like that. I'd rather be hands-on when I come to school. So that's basically what that gave me. I was able to be hands-on when I come to school and then hands-off when I'm not at school. So it was great.
I probably wouldn't have been here as much due to the fact of work and life experiences.
And then this year, when I was like, all right, I'm gonna go back now. And then I seen that they had the hybrid program on it. And I said, you know what? I am definitely gonna sign up.
Okay, because I tried to do a go to school every day type of schedule and it didn't work out for me. So I was like, why not try a hybrid class or a hybrid program? And it ended up working for me.
And then me, I'm a nighthawk. So sometimes I'll be up at 1 a.m. just taking practice tests and just, going through the platform and just seeing what else it has for me.
To school, you love what you do. We have a great community here. It's fun, it's creative, you learn. It's just the best.
And I really feel like the flexibility for being able to also maybe do certain things outside of your school hours, whether it's some of us work here, we have our personal lives as well. So that hybrid program really helps to give us a more balanced kind of work-life balance. For me, I think the hybrid program really made it possible for me to come back into education. I did go to college. I graduated with a bachelor's in business almost 7-8 years ago. And so for me, the hybrid program was like a good step back into education. So yes, for me, that hybrid program really made it possible for me to come back and make it a reality.
I turned my no into yeses, and honestly, you can do it too.